I'm always looking for new ways to add protein into my meals, and this crunchy Moong Sprouts Stirfry is one recipe that I have been loving recently. Moong is always used in chaat and it is so nutritious and we all love it. Start by taking our sprouted moong and coating it with some cornstarch, rice flour, salt, chili powder and some oil. This is going to form a really crunchy coating for the moong that will be perfect texture for our stir fry once baked. Heat some oil, in goes our aromatics and some dry red chilies. Once this is going, add in your paneer or tofu for that extra protein and we want those to get slightly golden brown. Next, add in all your sauces. I have used Szechuan, chili, ketchup, soy sauce, vinegar, salt, sugar and a cornstarch slurry to help this thicken up. We will fold in our bell pepper and onions here at the end so that they are still super fresh and crisp. For some heat, I have added some Thai chilies. Finish it off with some green onions and of course our crunchy moong sprouts that are going to make this so satisfying and wholesome. To serve this as a meal, I have paired this with some rice. I have really been loving this Korean purple rice lately. Then garnish the stir fry with some crunchy moong, green onions and sesame seeds and it's ready to be served. Head over to my blog for more detailed recipe and enjoy.